Hello crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I'm here with Bibi's Cats and Pugs collection. This is designed by Bibi Cameron for Spellbinders. Look at this. You can go beyond the holidays here like with the cats, but these are accessories. So you can put the accessories on the cats or on the pugs. Look at the oversized cat fitting on an A2 card. So there's lots of fun and play in Bibi's Cats and Pugs collection. She also has a beautiful bicycle die set. That one is 5x7, but you can crop it to fit in A2. Right now in July, there are lots of new collections. Not everything is holiday, but the main star that I like to talk about, because this is limited quantities, is the handmade holiday card making kit. This is a mega card making kit loaded with all sorts of goodies. I will link my handmade holidays video here. You'll see all the goodies that comes in this beautiful box and my 7 card examples. And I'll also link here Nicole's needlework collection. So that's designed by Nicole's 4. Really fun collection. Crafters, you're going to see the gamut of products. So take your time going through the new collections. I will link all the new collections below and you can click on each link to then see just the snippet of products there. When you look at it as one big thing, it gets confusing. But if you did get yourself a better press recently, or you want to add to your better press, there are a lot of goodies to enhance your better press experience. And crafters, Kit Club is open for new subscriptions until the 27th of this month. I will link my Kit Club video here so you can take a look. July's Kit Club really did kick off Christmas in July. So if you're as excited as I have been over Christmas in July, I don't know what it is, but crafters, I am having a ball making Christmas cards. As you can see, I still have the spruce colorway going on. Look at the pretty kitty for Christmas. Can you imagine giving a card like this to your cat lovers or your dog lovers? Yay! Alrighty, crafters, let's get into this video. Let's get started. There are 7 items here in Bibi's Cats and Pugs collection. 3 oversized dies, a smaller die set, which are the accessories to the pug and the cat, and then the pugs and the cats in a smaller sizing with accessories in this smaller die sets. And then there's also the Cats and Pugs sentiment stamp. This is a high quality photopolymer stamp with many sentiments. Some of them, if you noticed, are curved. The curved ones can fit in here. This is so cute, Bibi. I love this. This is the big pug dies. And then here is the big cat dies. Let me give you a measurement and I'm going to do it on the outline here. The pug is 5.5 inch tall by 4.25 inch. So you could do a shaped card with the pug. This is adorable, especially if you have one or if you know someone, and then you can decorate your pug for the holidays and birthday, etc. Super cute. And now the cat. Big cat is also 5.5 inch tall, 4.25 inch wide, okay? Both of these can fit on an A2 card. My pug is on a 5x7. My cat is on an A2 card. Keep the packaging to get the instructions of how to put this together. So for the cat now, to do the body, here's a tail for the cat. See how it fits together like a puzzle? Here is the cat's body. Then the little legs, they go on top. This part is right here. There's the cat's head. The ears go right behind. So when you're assembling this, if you're going to use the outline, you have to stick the ears down first. Of course, I didn't do that. So then I had to peel this back up to then stick it down. Yes, I was not happy about that, but it worked out eventually. Here are the little whiskers. Right here is for the mouth of the cat. The glasses comes from the accessories. Here are the eyes. So these 3 pieces are for the eyes. Look at the little collar. So super cute. And then that little handkerchief part that I just love. So the handkerchief and the glasses, that comes from the Cats and Pugs accessories. Use this and that with the little Christmas tree. It's just so cute. You get a birthday option here. You also get the Christmas trees, which I did with the glasses. I love cat images with glasses. It kills me every time, so I had to use the glasses. So you get one size for the cat and then the bigger one for the pug. This is the Cat and Pug necktie. So I use this one for the cat. Look at that pattern paper from my stash. So cute. And yes, I am still back into the spruce with the red colorway. No turquoise this time. I'm liking how it looked on the cat for this. You also get a reindeer option, but I use the Christmas tree. There's some little bit of holly leaves, which you see here, and then layering up. I can't remember what I used for this. I'll show you in a moment. And here's a little necktie too, if you want to do like your pug or your cat with a little necktie. This part, I'm not sure what this is. It looks like ears for something, but I was loving this. And then I did cut this out for the little ornaments there. Isn't that cute? This is on an A2 card base. Look at that card base. I am loving this. This is from the new Home for the Holidays collection. Now you see this background? You can use it on anything. It's just a great detailed background. It gives texture and fun in the background, but you don't necessarily have to have a foundation die. This is the Starshine background die. Full A2. 4¼ by 5½ inch. It does come with an outer edge, and then this is the drop-in plate. Love this. So this is in the Home for the Holidays. Also from the Home for the Holidays is this one, poinsettia spray. Foliage frame that you build the florals on. In my next video, which will be the Home for the Holidays, this is what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? Here I did use a foundation die because of the flowers being on top of it. Here the cat is big enough, so I don't think it needs it. So that's what it would look like with a foundation die. Here it is without. But does it need a foundation die? No, it looks great. I love this thing, right? You can tell. In white too. This is what the poinsettia spray looks like. So from this set, those little bits is what I have here. But with this collection, you can really mix, match, and play. So the sentiment banner strip you see here is from the Cheerful Kittens dies. So this is the smaller size of the cats. I did not use this die set for this part, but I did use this up here. And that's what you see here with the coordinating stamp. And that stamp is the Cats and Pugs sentiment stamps. But I used Have a Merry Furry Christmas. I just curved this on my Misty to stamp it out. There's lots of great sentiments in here too. So this card shows the big cat, Cheerful Kittens, and Cats and Pugs accessories. Love this. Love this. Perfect for any cat lover. Now for the dog lover. This is on a 5x7 card. Here I'm using Glacier cardstock, Alabaster cardstock, Dune, and Latte for my dog. So cute. And then look at the flowers. Love this. Pulled out all different cardstock from my stash in this pink and mustard colorway. I wanted my pug to be a female pug. She's like a different version of Tori. Tori's not a pug, but I'm channeling Tori here. So you get that body, and then the legs fit in right here. So this is flat, okay? I did pop my whole assembly off of here, but you don't have to. In that background is what I used with the Dune, and then I built up the dog on. It's like a little puzzle. I use this version for the mouth, a little bit happier. But you can also use this version, and I'll show you a graphic here so you can see what that would look like. This part is for the eye area. Then you build the eyes on top. Here is the nose, tongue. This part is that mouth right there. The ears, that's the puppy's head. The wrinkles go towards the top, okay? And then here are the little tags. And I use some crystal mixed gems here. Then I also use silver mixed gems here and here. For the background, I'm using Spellbinders Loops embossing folder. This is a 2D embossing folder. I love this embossing folder. Great for birthday. Anytime you want to have an embossing folder that has that feel of fun, especially around a birthday, I love to reach for loops. I think it's just clean, simple, but it adds a happiness to this. This is a magical embossing folder. This embossing folder was like the first run of these oversized embossing folders. So when this goes on sale, that's probably the time to get it if you don't own it already. It's a fabulous one. 5½ inch wide, 8½ inch tall, just through your standard die cutting machine. For the sentiment, happy birthday. This is Better Press porcelain cotton card with black Better Press ink using Cheers to You sentiments. This is one that you press once and then die cut once, or you can glimmer this too. This is a cool one to add to your stash. I like the little flag, and I like that the sentiment is bold but not too big. With this one now, you can probably get maybe 8 or 9 sets of this out of one sheet of paper. I have multiples of this from Better Press scrap paper. Also, I did glimmer it. Isn't this fun? Look at my little pug. So sweet. Love this. Great job, Bibi. I think this is just a unique, fun collection. And look at the kitty too. And you could put both of them if you want to make one big card. You can take a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, score it down the middle at 5.5 inch on the 11-inch side. It's called an A9 card. They call it the invitation size. So you could make a big card like that and then have everybody sign it. And they have a dog and cat. You could really still work this set. It is so fun. This is just adorable. Up next, crafters, the last two items up close. This is Big Bicycle. This is meant for a 5x7. 7 inches wide, 5 inches tall. With this, you can make a shaped card. You do get that outline. Then you also get this bicycle piece that fits on the top and everything else for the bicycle. This piece right here also makes this as a pop-up. So you would have the card open. This could be on the inside. She'll have a few videos on her YouTube channel, Bibi Cameron, to show you how to put this together, especially with that pop-up detail. But you cut this twice and you do the pop-up. I didn't do the pop-up, but that option is always there. You get a basket. You get a teddy bear. This is for the teddy bear. There's a bicycle handle, the wheel. This is the body of the bicycle right here. Wine bottle or champagne together with the wine glass. So this is for those flowers. Here is a little stem that curves and then a little poinsettia so that can take you into holiday, a little bow, and all of this can be decorated with that basket. And then look at the baby bottle. Just so cute. You can personalize this one and I'll show you that in my example. And then lastly, here is party puggles. You can have 3 pugs together. Let me show you an example here. She made a lot of these cards to give you inspiration of how to use the Cats and Pugs collection. There is also a top hat and cupcake, party hat, little streamer and fun, flowers, a little gift. Again, this is the ears. There's a little bow and the collar, okay? So now let me show you my example. First example features both of these. Here is the bicycle, full size, 5x7. Here is my pink bicycle. Look at the wheels and everything. Now for the wheels with the spokes, you only get 1 wheel. I cut this out in graphite cardstock and then I just clip out this part. So I've stuck the rim of the wheel on top of the white. Cut this out in white and then just put this outer piece. But you have to clip the little bits here for it. And this is 2 sets of the white to get more spokes happening for your bicycle tire. Isn't that cute? I used this outline to make it shaped. And this card I had actually started in the Weekender workshop. So I had just a bicycle, nothing else done. And I wanted to finish it. I did the basket and then I stuck one of the party puggles in here holding a cupcake decorated with some crystal mixed gems. Look at the pug's face. So you see the mouth, the eyes. So it's just a smaller scale. It is like really small, but you're getting still the same look. Isn't that fabulous? So Spellbinders worked hard to have it at this size and then also bring it down to this size and keep it looking like the same. I love that. Only thing different that I did here, I used a white Jelly Roll pen just to put that little white dot. I did the top hat. I did layer it up in the back as well, just to keep this all one thing. I took out a cloud stencil, used the Spellbinders large blending brush. Still loving my blending brush. This is with tumbled glass distress ink, inked it up. And look how well it worked. Not a lot of fatigue when you use their large blending brush, especially for backgrounds like this. Here I have one of my favorite sentiments that I haven't used in a long time, but the sizing was perfect for here. This is Birthday Unboxing Glimmer. I wish Spellbinders would bring this one back. This is such a great Glimmer hot foil set. I love that happy birthday with the coordinating die. You also get this version of happy birthday. I like to use this one on masculine cards. And then the sentiments. Never use the sentiments. I know I should, but I don't. I love this. It glimmers so well. This is the set that got me to take out my Glimmer machine and just play, and practice. And I have a million of this happy birthday. So here it is on black cardstock with opaque white hot foil roll. So cute. So if you did the Weekender workshop, now you could add these beauties to that whole collection if you wanted to put the puggle or the cat here. I'm calling it a puggle because she calls it puggle. Party puggles. Look at the cupcake. It's so cute. When you want to have that bicycle fit on an A2 card, I just cut this much. And this time I use Spellbinders Sage cardstock. And here in the background again, I have that beautiful, loving this starshine. For the florals, I'm also using poinsettia spray right here. And this is fabulous because you get to cut all those little green. That's why I have so much of them, because with one run, you're getting 8 of them. So you just have the poinsettia and then you just tuck, tuck, tuck. I did the basket a darker colorway and then put the poinsettia here. There's a little bow. The bow is from the bicycle right there. That's in brushed gold. So that's the only touch of gold. All the silver you see here is from the new treasured, I want to say collection, but it's not a collection. It's just treasured cardstock. It comes in silver, rose gold, and gold. 15 sheets, 3 sheets in 5 styles per pack. Isn't this fabulous? And it doesn't have a terrible price point. So let's take a closer look, little sidebar for you guys, because this is perfect for your holiday crafting, okay? I really like how this is laid out because it does show you clearly what to expect. 3 sheets of this no shed glitter. And it's not like super shiny glitter, but you can get super shiny glitter at Spellbinders. See, I took a little piece here. Then there is the matte metallic silver. There is also the brush metallic silver, mirror metallic, and then the pearl. This one almost looks close to the cat. You see it? That colorway. So if you want something like this for your masculine cards, this is a great pack. And like I said, for the price point, for all this type of styling, I like that it's an all-in-one. When you need that look either in gold, rose gold, or silver, you can just pull this pack. Normally, to get something like this for me, I'm pulling from different places. I like the idea of having it like this, and I love that they gave us the look here in the front, because if the pack came like this, I would only think this is in there. But I like this little reference. It's like a little reference guide. I think that's fabulous too. This one is a pretty straightforward card. For the sentiment, this is a exciting better press with a coordinating die set. Love this one. This is also from the Home for the Holiday collection. This is Mistletoe Greetings press plate and die. You can press this or glimmer this once and then die cut it once. With this, you can still get 6 sets out of 1 sheet of cardstock. Here you're seeing it glimmered on poppy field cardstock with opaque white hot foil roll, and I like that the banner gives a nice little look to the bicycle tire. So super cute. And then I finished it off with some silver mixed gems here in the center that goes very well with the matte silver foil and the shiny foil. Look at that background. Still loving this. So my Home for the Holidays video you'll see over the weekend is going to be a long video though, because 15 products, 6 die sets, 8 better press, 1 3D embossing folder. 2 thumbs up for fabulousness. And some of it you can use beyond just the holidays, okay? Because I know some of you are like, Christmas in July, too early. This is a great collection. I love this one. Look how fun this is. So if the pugs and the cats, this is not your thing with the animals, you can still check out the bicycle. And the bicycle does come with the basket, and then you can shop your stash to decorate it. So you can still work with this, and you can crop it down if you want to use it on an A2 sizing. So fun. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. Thanks so much for watching. Bibi, love the Cats and Pugs collection. So much fun. My favorite, I think, is the kitty. I love the kitty. Although I'm a dog person, but the cat is calling me. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!